Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 52nd learning marathon session. So today I'm going to showcase about uh, RunwayML. Actually, this is actually cloud-based platform. It provides 30 AI magic tools. Apart from that, we can write our own ML libraries or models. So based on to modify the image, audio, video, that and all. So even though we have 30 tools within 15 or 20 minutes, we cannot see all those tools. So which tools will take less time? That tool I have picked. So as much as possible within the 20 minutes, I will showcase one by one. Uh, you can go and see in the Runway ML website. Also in YouTube, lot of tutorials available for each tool. Okay, so you go and learn more apart from this session. Okay, I share my screen and start soon. Okay, I shared my screen. Are you able to view?
Yep.
Okay, fine. Okay, so this is their website. So you can freely we can register, or by using Google we can log in. So I am going to use my credential. Okay, here as I said, we have 30 tools here. Okay, so when I have used the free login, so they will give 400 credits for that. So when keep on using the tools, the credits will be reduced. So after that, we need to upgrade to standard and pro version. Okay, so okay, then I start with the first tool, text to image. So here you can see here. So here we need to give some prompt. The based on that, it will create the image. This and all already created some image. So now I am going to give one image. This is a single tree sitting on a hill with mountains in the distance during autumn. In comma separator, we can give any value. So sunset and the high detail I have given. Here we will see some settings. So the same setting available for all the tools. So let's see at least one time. Here we can give ratio. So which size we need. So I am requesting the wide screen here. And how many pictures outputs I need. Actually, I selected 4 here. Okay, so here the standard resolution only given. For if you select some high resolution and other size, so we need to upgrade our version. So let's cancel that one. Okay, in advanced setting, actually we have styles. Which style we are going to use? I select folk here, and here I select some. Okay, oil painting I can select here. So medium mode is beautiful, I select. So like that we can select, and the prompt weight. So based on our message only it creates image, right? So here lower and higher value, actually you can see here higher value may result in more precise result, but lower value generates more creative output. First let's create with some lower value. Okay, these are all the settings mostly we will use. So it will take some seconds. Okay, so since I selected 4 number, it created 4 different images. Which one is near to our need, we can select that one. So if is, so this is the thing, and uh, we can download and save in our folder, and we can use this one for other AI tools. The same image we can use other AI tools too. Okay. Okay, so prompt actually we have used lower one. Now higher one I have used with the same thing, but here instead of sunset, I can use sunrise. Same prompt also we can use, but anyhow, let's see some variation. So it creates some different. So here some, as the message says, creative outputs. It will use for the lower one. Higher one is precise result they will give. So based on that, we can use. Okay, this is the first tool, text to image, and the second one is erase and replace. So actually, we can upload our own image, or we can use existing one. So existing one easily load without taking any time. It will load. So here what we are going to do, in given picture or uploaded picture, we can erase some object and introduce our own object. So here what I am going to do, actually I am going to erase this pillar. Okay, so I'm going to erase, and instead of that erased object, what we are going to introduce, that is a thing. So erase and replace, right? For already we erased, and what we are going to replace, the I have given the single tree. So instead of pillar here, the single tree will be given. So 4 samples will be given. We can select our own. So what we need, we can select. Otherwise we can recreate once again. So all the 4 is not satisfied for us, we can create our own. So this is the first tree, second, third, fourth. I think it will be fine. So I can download this image. Okay, so in existing object, we can erase and replace our own object. Okay, so this is the second thing. Next is super slow motion. Actually, let's upload some video here. As much as possible, you upload some lesser size video, so it will give a good result. So normally it's a normal thing. So it has some slow motion video. Okay, so we can increase or decrease the speed. So I can decreased the speed here and process again. This time it will play very slowly. So normally video and all take more time. Okay, anyhow, luckily we got. Okay, now if you play this one, you can see the difference. Before it's a normal slow motion. Now you're super slow slow motion. So you can use based on our need when we go for the video editing. So next tool is in painting. Where is that? Okay. Actually, we can select something. Okay, in before we saw in a given image, we can erase and replace our own object, right? So here in video, actually this is in video. Actually, it's a small video. So in that video, we are going to erase some part. So if we taken some video, some unwanted person or object is there, means we can we need to erase, right? So this is the option to erase. So just we need to erase that image here. Okay, now it automatically erase the video, and when we go for, it's not properly we selected those things. Okay. Okay, now if you play the video, so now video is playing without that person. Okay, so in existing video, you can erase unwanted thing. This is the another tool. Another one is expand image. Okay. I add this image. Actually, this photo is not taken properly. So in full portion it not cover, right? So, but we want the full portion. Means we need to take another photo. But AI, it will assume based on our body type and the color, it will add rest of the portion and the rest of the floor and other design. So here we need to select the size and other things, which size we need. The screen. You can add prompt too, but now without prompt we are generating this. So automatically, actually, this portion and all in real photos not exist, but AI automatically it generates the rest of the portion and other part. So which is near to our expectation, we can use that one. So I feel this one near to me. So I can save, I can reuse for other AI purpose. Okay, so this is about expand image. Okay, another one is the infinity image. Okay, infinite image, actually we need to select one image. Okay, let's select even existing image. Okay, I select this image here, so it will take time to load. Okay, okay, so now what we are going to do, we are based on the existing portion, I am going to generate uh, image. Actually, I can create infinite image. So we need to give the prompt. Actually, what kind of uh, the image I need to generate? The beautiful house. So next to this person, so it will generate one house here. So based on the prompt, anything we can give. Okay. So automatically it generate, but we need to select some overlap. We need to, then only it will understand. So up to that we have image. So it will continue. And continuation is there for this small tree. And here we have next. We can grow any image, any kind of image, any kind of any time here. So now I move the selection part. Okay, we need to accept that one. Okay, then we need to move this one. So here what I am expecting, so I need beautiful car. Okay, so we have four options. So any kind of car, so which is up to this. Okay, I select this one. So accept means, so we can infinitely we can create image. Okay, so this is a difference between the existing expand image and the infinity image. Okay, and the backdrop, uh, so remix, actually here we need to select one image here. Okay, I select this image, and the lakeside I am sorry. So instead of this background, it remove this background, and whatever we select, that background will be applied automatically. Even we can give prompt to. So it will give four option. We need to select which we want. Okay, so in four we can select, but if you're not satisfied with that, we can select some other image or some other background too. So this is about backdrop remix. Next, image variation. here we need to select one image and give number of output we need. And when we give generate, so apart from the current image, it will give other 4 options for so same action, but it will give the different actually idea about display. Okay, so we can select this thing. Okay, so this is about the image variation, same image with different variations. So this is one of the tool. Next one is text to 3D options. So I have missed something. Okay, so it will based on our prompt, it will create image with 3D texture. Actually, I have given smooth river rocks, so it will create in with the 3D action. Once image generated, we can change the properties. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so resolution actually standard definition is default. So we need to upgrade for higher resolution. So we can spare, we can select our image, we can select anything we can do. Also styling, we can the size that we can create here. This is a ambient light. This is directional light. It's other part of the light. Okay, so this is another tool. One final tool. This is about blur faces in video. Some person give interview or say something, but that person don't want to expose her face, means we can blur that person face, right? So we can use that purpose. So this automatically detect the face, and we need to give the property how much we need to hide space. That and all we need to give as a property. Once uh, video loaded, we can change those properties. So here is set mask, right? So here blur percentage we can choose, and the padding. Padding means thickness of that blur size. So that and all we can change here. Okay, so when you play the video, so we can hear the audio and other things, but that person space is not exposed. Not even one face here. If we have 3 persons, one person face we can blur, other person can expose their face. That and all, that kind of things we can do with that. So as I said earlier, apart from these models, we can write our own model. If you know, if you are expert in machine learning, we can write our own tools too. So this is the thing they said. In Python and JavaScript, we can write those things. So this is about the 10 tools I have showcased now. But other things and all, mostly video things and all, taking much time. And especially if you have time, please go to this Gen 1. This is their masterpiece. Mostly it's a video editing and add any colors and other things. Even you can set your space to uh, particular images. That and all we can do more. Currently now Gen 2 is about to release. It will contain more features, but that and all available in Pro and Standard edition. So this is about Runway ML. So when you have a free time, go and see this one. As I said earlier, in YouTube, lot of tutorials about each tools